on, guys? It's your boy AJB here, back at you again with another fishing video. And today we're gonna be doing a candy fishing video, and the challenge is gonna be to fish with candy gummy worms and what's it called? Fruit roll-ups. And yeah, I have all the stuff right here. Got the rod. That's gonna be the setup for the candy worm. We're using these trolley worms, if you can see right there, and then fruit roll-ups. So yeah, we're gonna be going to the spot that First State Fishing went to. It's called Charles E. Price Memorial. Never really had luck there, but I'm gonna try it out again. And yeah, let's go see what we can catch.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah.
Just got to the pond. Looks pretty good. Usually there's a bunch of wind, so the water's always moving, but it looks good today. Nothing's biting it. Alright. But I need some. Oh, I got one. I got one, Ava. I got one.
All right, you got a catch.
I think it's a catfish.
You think so?
Yeah. Look, Ava. Look. Yep, it's a catfish.
Oh my gosh! It's a catfish. That's a catfish. You think it's a sour worm?
Yeah.
Sour worm.
Where should I bring it?
Get it.
I don't think I can lift it up.
That's all.
I don't think I can. Here.
Do we have the net? No, we don't. Give me it. Yes, you can. Bring it up.
I got it.
Yeah.
Sorry, Ava.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
I'm using it. Oh, God, it's got the eye.
He's good.
Oh, wow.
It's the eye.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh.
You need some gloves?
No, I got it. Wait, are there?
Make it for an eye.
Got it.
You already got it, right?
Alright, there you go. Look, Ava.
All right, look at that.
Thanks for the gloves.
Of course.
Here, can you pull?
$5 to take his picture.
No, I got it. Ava, can you take it? Oh. Never mind. I put it in. I already got the GoPro. Thanks. Thank you.
That's awesome. Sour worm.
Alright, guys, as you just saw, I just caught the catfish on the candy. That was a few days ago. I've been trying to catch I've been trying to catch a bass or a carp on the candy, but it just hasn't been working out. So I'm gonna tell you guys, if you guys want to see that, just put in the comments if you want to see the sour gummy worms and maybe a bass on it or something. Hopefully that can happen, but that's up to you guys. You guys tell me that in the comments. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you a little video of me and my friend Hunter. We were fishing, and I would just decide to put on a swim bait, and I actually caught a bass. And yeah, there's a little funny moments in there. So yeah, go check it out, and see you next time. He's beautiful. I need a picture.
He's light colored.
Oh, look, he's got a little something in there. You gonna hold him?
No.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Why not?
Because it's on my fish.
First one, boys. It's probably gonna get rusty.
It's called spearfishing.
Alright, yeah, this is spearfishing, guys.
It's gonna fly right off.
It just stabs. Careful. Okay.
Still on.
I think you're good. You just bring it up and it falls.
I go to grab it. I fumble it.
Okay, no more. Too risky. There you go, guys.
I